Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up make.com to automate CRM deal routing, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, log into your make.com account. If you don't have an account, create one to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. Select the trigger app for your CRM. For example, choose HubSpot if that's your CRM. Set the specific trigger event, such as new deal. Connect your HubSpot account by following the authentication prompts. After connecting, configure the trigger settings to match your needs. Next, add a filter if you want to specify which deals to route. Click on the plus icon to add a new module. Now, select the action app based on your routing criteria. For instance, select Slack for notifications or another CRM for deal processing. Choose the corresponding action event, such as send message or create deal. Connect the action app by following similar authentication steps. Map the fields from your trigger app to the action app. Ensure that all necessary data points are included for proper functioning. Add additional actions or filters as required for more complex routing. Once your setup is complete, click on the Run Once button to test the scenario. Observe the output to ensure everything works as expected. If the test is successful, turn on the scenario to make it live. You may also want to set a schedule for how often this scenario runs. Check back periodically to monitor the performance and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you'll automate CRM deal routing efficiently using make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for